In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a retainer invoice in Zoho Books. A retainer invoice is an essential tool for many businesses, enabling you to manage and track advance payments efficiently. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or part of an accounting team, mastering this feature can really streamline your operations. Let's dive right in and walk through the HANA process step by step. First, you'll need to log into your Zoho Books account and navigate to the dashboard. The dashboard is your central hub where you'll find access to all necessary features, including sales, expenses, and reports. Once you're on the dashboard, locate and click on the Sales tab. This will direct you to a section dedicated to all your sales activities, which includes various invoicing options. Once in the Sales section, look for the Retainer Invoices option and click on it. Retainer invoices are crucial for recording prepayments from clients, which can be applied to future services or projects. After clicking Retainer Invoices, you'll be led to a page where you can see a list of all existing retainer invoices or choose to create a new one. To create a new retainer invoice, click on New. This is where you start crafting the details of your invoice. You'll need to select, or if necessary, add a new customer to whom the invoice will be issued. Selecting the right customer is key, as this ensures the prepayment records are maintained accurately. Next, enter a retainer invoice number. This unique identifier helps track and organize your invoices, making it easier to refer back to specific transactions in the future. Following that, choose the date of the retainer invoice. The date is important for organizing payments chronologically and for accurately reflecting financial activities in your records. After setting the date, it's time to input a description. This is where you detail the purpose of the retainer, such as what services or activities the payment will cover. A clear and concise description aids in transparency and helps the client understand the allocation of their funds. Next, you'll need to select a tax if the services or products covered by the retainer are taxable. Ensure the correct tax category is applied. This ensures compliance with tax regulations and assists in precise financial reporting. Now type in the amount for the retainer. This should be the agreed-upon prepayment amount, reflecting the terms discussed with your client. Ensuring accuracy here is crucial to prevent misunderstandings or errors in financial records. Once all details are entered and reviewed, click Save and Send. This finalizes your invoice, saving it in Zoho Books and triggering the sending process to your client. It's always a good idea to double-check everything before finalizing, as this step completes the transaction process. And there you have it, a complete guide to creating a retainer invoice in Zoho Books. Keeping your books organized and maintaining a clear record of transactions will undoubtedly benefit your business in the long run. Thank you for watching, and happy invoicing!